What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Crypto World Weekly News Recap, where me, the Crypto Sherpa, brings you that daily crypto news. So, lots of stuff has been happening this week, and here are the top articles I felt were worthy of being shared with you. Now, to start off, let's go with Central African Republic adopts Bitcoin as legal tender. So, that's right, we have another country adopting Bitcoin. So, very, very good news right there. Why is the price not relating to all this good news? I don't know why. But let's go over this article really fast. Central African Republic has not yet officially confirmed this development, but several major news outlets worldwide have reported on this adoption. Two down, 193 to go. The Central African Republic, CAR, leapfrogs several other contending countries by passing legislation to adopt Bitcoin into its financial system. The African nation passed a law to accept Bitcoin as legal tender in the country, as reported by Forbes Monaco on April 23rd. The news has subsequently been making headlines worldwide. Reportedly, the bill was initiated and submitted by the Minister of Digital Economy, Post Services and Telecommunications, Gorna Zako, and the Minister of Finance and Budget, Calixte Nyango. The bill also attempts to establish a legal framework for regulation of cryptocurrencies in the nation. So very cool. Adoption is happening. I know President Bukele said that he knew of three countries that were going to release information that they're going to legalize cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, but he couldn't make that announcement due to unforeseen events happening in his country. But we would have got that news during the Miami conference a couple weeks ago. But yes, this was just one good news. But because of this news happening, the IMF had to raise its concerns over the Central African Republic's adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender. So we already know that the IMF hates cryptocurrencies because they know they're losing power. They can't go, oh, you can't use our traditional system right now, so you are banned from the rest of the world. But just because you're banned doesn't mean there's not just one system out there. We got cryptocurrencies now. So the IMF has raised concerns over the Central African Republic's adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender due to the lack of robust payment systems in the country. The International Monetary Fund expressed concerns over the Central African Republic's adoption of Bitcoin as legal tender. The IMF Africa head Abibi Amro Salesi said for BTC to work as legal tender, the country must already have a robust payment system in place, along with financial transparency. Salesi added that Bitcoin should not be seen as a panacea capable of solving a country's economic problems. Locals, too, have their doubts. An owner at a local timber firm expressed negative sentiment towards the move, saying, "What can Bitcoin bring to our country? Rah, rah, rah." The Central African Republic faces huge barriers to Bitcoin adoption, which raises the question of why officials voted in favor of the legal tender. Well, they've already took an eye on what's happening with El Salvador. They made it legal in September. They definitely had a tourism boost. They built some hospitals, a vet hospital. Some nation getting their country's getting a little bit better. So they still have some issues going on, but it's a work in progress, and Bitcoin has definitely been the help of it. They also may have seen the country of Ukraine get support by crypto donations, and they're going, okay, this is a lot of income and revenue coming in. This is how it can help us. That's probably why they voted on making it legal tender. But again, we're going to have mixed reviews on this. Some people are just going to hate it, not understand it, not bother learning about Bitcoin, blockchain, what it truly means, of how it can give some freedoms, getting rid of the middleman. But again, so the same with El Salvador, 50% or 30%, I don't know the actual exact number, but it's got a mixed reviews on Bitcoin. Some people hate it, some people love it. But yep, there's always going to be concerns out there. But this is still a great move. IMF is always going to be raising its concerns until finally it's like, we don't care what you got to say anymore, IMF. And then let's move on. What else is going on? MicroStrategy CEO dismisses rumors about the company selling its Bitcoin. That's right. Earlier this week, we had rumors that MicroStrategy himself was selling a bunch of Bitcoin. They're going through some charts, but that was all FUD news. For those who don't know what FUD stands for, FUD, it's fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So when you hear me use that term, it means like, yeah, we got some fearful articles out there, but Michael Saylor dismissed those rumors. MicroStrategy's chairman and CEO, Michael Saylor, has dismissed rumors that the company is secretly selling its Bitcoin holdings through his Twitter account. Saylor stressed that as a publicly listed company, MicroStrategy is obligated by law to file any transactions with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Rumors about MicroStrategy selling its Bitcoin stash emerged after an identified as a 1P5ZED was involved in moving a significant amount of the asset. According to analysts and crypto enthusiasts, the whale was likely MicroStrategy or a cryptocurrency exchange. So it was a rumor. It was FUD. And so MicroStrategy dismissed it. So yeah, MicroStrategy is never going to sell his Bitcoin. He's going to be holding it for life. He'll take a loan on it, get some more asset on it, and then pay off the old debt. But he's using it the smart and correct way. So he's never going to sell. I know I'm not going to sell. I know many other companies are not going to sell. They're going to stash Bitcoin because they see its true value of freedom, borderless payments, no more middleman, and a truly decentralized distributed ledger out there running it. So again, some people see the value of it, some do not. But also in the MicroStrategy news, they are to offer employees Bitcoin retirement plans. The firm will be the first company to give employees the chance to add Bitcoin to the 401k savings account. Bitcoin evangelist MicroStrategy, Mike Osilla today said his company will offer employees access to Bitcoin retirement plans. The MicroStrategy employees will be able to invest in their biggest cryptocurrency by market cap as part of a 401k savings accounts. He said on Twitter and in an interview with CNBC, the announcement comes just as Fidelity Investments, America's largest provider of 401ks savings accounts, rolls out the digital assets account, giving companies access to Bitcoin. So here it is. Here is this tweet. MicroStrategy plans to offer employees options to invest in Bitcoin as part of the 401k plan. And you know what's funny about this article? Not just the Michael Saylor, but the Fidelity investments to allow people to have 401k savings in Bitcoin. The IMF came in with another article saying, like we're worried about this because now the largest provider of 401ks not using fiat anymore. So of course they're worried. It's like, oh no, we're losing our power. So it's not just the countries adopting it, it's businesses and companies, investment firms, hedge funds, like it's changing the game. So exciting times. Like, what would you guys think? Do you guys think it's pretty cool to have a 401k in savings? Would you do it? Let us know in the comments below. All right, so what else is going on? Oh yeah, another country is adopting Bitcoin. We got 2 this week. That's how I said El Salvador. President Nayib Bukele said there was going to be 3 he knew of. So we got Central Africa, and now we got Panama. Panama passes law to regulate Bitcoin, legally recognized DAOs. The law will regulate the use of cryptocurrencies such as BTC in the Central American country, as well as to provide a legal framework for DAOs and STOs. So the people at Panama may soon be able to buy their morning brew with Bitcoin. The country's legislature just approved a bill regulating the use of cryptocurrencies in the country. Now, the bill just needs to be signed by the country's president before it comes into force. The crypto law states that it regulates the trading and use of crypto assets, the issuance of digital value tokenization, and precious metals and other assets, payment systems, and other provisions. According to the Congressman Gabriel Silva, it will help the Central American country and tax haven become a hub of innovation and technology in Latin America. And there's Gabriel Silva's tweet on it. So way to go, guys. So again, it's still just the start. Just small countries are adopting Bitcoin. Wait till next up is big countries, big governments are accepting it. So I always love seeing when Bitcoin gets adopted. Like this was not imaginable a couple of years ago. It was all speculative. It's like, I need to do some more research on that. Like, let's wait and see what happens. And now we're seeing what happens. So get on it now. If not, forever hold your peace. All right. So way to good news on Panama, Central Africa, 401 savings account. What else is happening in the news this week? So much. Let's see. Meet Fort Worth, the first U.S. city to mine Bitcoin. Myself and Crypto World were down here like a couple of weeks ago before the Miami conference. But yeah, they're going to be a city of mining crypto. Fort Worth, Texas has become the first U.S. city to mine Bitcoin after 3 mining machines were donated to the city by the Texas Blockchain Council. Fort Worth starts BTC mining. The Bitcoin mining program was unanimously approved by the city councilors of Fort Worth on Tuesday. Under the pilot program, the city partnered up with the Texas Blockchain Council, which donated the S9 mining rigs and Luxor Technologies, a mining pool that maximizes the mining profitability of small-scale miners. Fort Worth Mayor Maddie Parker commented on this monumental initiative. This is Bigger than cryptocurrency, we're starting a conversation across the globe about what cities need to do to be innovative and focus on technology and innovation. We think we're doing that. The big picture here is, what is the future of our economy? We know that cryptocurrency is a big piece of this. So, yep, we got governments saying like they believe cryptocurrencies are a big part of the future. What it's going to be, we don't know, but this technology is innovation to what's going to be new happen. It could be the new currency of the economy. I hope so. Or it could just be the start. Someone may use blockchain technology to create something even better, but this was already built for us, so I don't know what's going to happen after that. That's probably, I feel like, more down the line. But innovation right now is we need to accept Bitcoin and blockchain technology. So way to go, Fort Worth, Texas, for being a mining city. Let's see. We got about 2 more articles to go. Let's see. Crypto added to Telegram by Ton stewards opening paths to payments. Users can use a bot to buy Bitcoin and Toncoin within the app and can send the latter to other users. So yeah, Telegram's making it easy to buy and send Bitcoin through a social media. This isn't really a social media platform. This is a messaging platform. So pretty interesting. I checked it out. You gotta like message the @wallet bot, and then you can purchase only Toncoin or Bitcoin through it, and that's how you send it. So it's very simple to do. Basically, as simple as using the Divi wallet. You just have a profile name, send. But yeah, people are accepting cryptocurrencies now, and they want to try and make it as easy as possible to obtain it, move it, just get more people onboarded with it. But the aim is to make sending Toncoin feel like sending a text message. The Ton Foundation, the stewards of the cryptocurrency project, said Thursday the bot has been used by 800,000 Telegram accounts already, it said. We anticipate that this functionality will extend into consumers to business payments so that people can easily acquire goods and services by sending Toncoin via bots and Telegram app. Now, the Toncoin is the Telegram official token, but again, you can also send Bitcoin as well through the mobile app, and that's just it for now. So just these 2 tokens, but it's a start. Like, wait till we start seeing, let's see, with Twitter and the tipping bots feature, where what is that? Yeah, you can tip with like Bitcoin, Ethereum. They're using the Lightning Network for that. So like, imagine next up will be Facebook, Instagram. So like, this is the starting off process. Like, how would you say it? This is the foundation of it all. Like, you got to build the foundation before you can build up everywhere else. So like, this is pretty cool what's going on right here. So yeah, way to go, Telegram, to trying to make sending crypto payments super easy. And then lastly in the news, Binance closes accounts of individuals with links to Russian government. Binance announced on Thursday that it has closed several accounts associated with the relatives of Russian officials since the beginning of the war with Ukraine, following last week's announcement that the exchange was limiting services in the country. Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov's stepdaughter and the daughter of President Vladimir Putin, spokesman Dmitry Peskov, and have both had their accounts blocked since Russia invaded Ukraine in February. Binance head of sanctions. Binance also revealed that the son of Konstantin Maluev, a Russian oligarchy who was indicated by the U.S. Department of Justice for violating U.S. sanctions, has also been blocked as an exchange continues to search for users with links to sanctions individuals. Russia's invasion of Ukraine brought with a raft of financial sanctions and for limiting the country's ability to continue its war. And it just goes on saying why they're doing this. So, yeah, Binance has the ability to ban accounts if they so please. But I'm sharing this article with you because it just shows the importance of why you should be in full control of your cryptocurrency. It's like, get yourself a non-custodial wallet. We got them at Crypto World, either as a ballet wallet, those ones we do offer. I think we're still short supplied or out of the ledgers or treasure wallets out there, but those are some hardware wallets that are non-custodial where you get your seed phrase. Exodus is also a great wallet. It's a software program, but it's all about just being in full control. When you're using exchanges like Binance, Bitrue, Coinbase, Robinhood, you're trusting them with your accounts and that they will not shut you out, take your tokens, freeze anything up. So it's like you're trusting them to hold on your cryptocurrencies and that none of that will ever happen to you. But if you're in full control of your cryptos, then you don't have to worry about these third parties, governments freezing your assets because you're in full control. there's that saying out there, not your keys, not your coins. And it's so true. You get some seed phrase, you get private keys, never share that with anybody. And that what gives you access to move and keep your crypto safe on the blockchain. So yeah, get yourself a ballet wallet. I know Jay Crypto, our CEO of Crypto World, was at a high school last week. I think we have a video on our channel. Check it out, where he's asking high school kids questions. He does a lecture in a class. He gives away some free ballet wallets with some cryptocurrencies on there, all in hopes of educating our young. So very, very cool video, and like just it's educational where we're headed. Like it's what crypto world and what we have envisioned. We want to spread the adoption of cryptocurrencies, and we want to be the one place hub of it, of educating people where you can go learn about cryptos. And also, if you want to mine with us, we're going to have mining hubs. We're building on that. We're partnered with Bitsby Trippin on that, and we're going to soon have staking vaults, like our own personal staking vaults, where you can delegate your tokens. If you don't want to run a machine yourself, we can do that for you. Like there's many other ways out there. So yeah, crypto world's good. And this article is, again, be in control of your cryptocurrencies. Check out some non-custodial wallets out there. But that's going to do it. There is still so much articles. If you take a look at my channel, where I usually get the ideas of which videos I want to do. It's like, let's see, I did the Binance, I finished that, but yeah, like what is decentralized? Let's see, had a hackathon contest. ApeCoin was up. We have some fashion store in England. So like there is so many articles out here that I just can't fit all in one video. So if you don't want to, if you want a little bit more articles other than me just putting together the best of the best, like, oh, hey, I totally forgot this week that Elon Musk bought out Twitter. So woo, freedom is coming back. But yeah, so again, as you can see, there is so much news happening this week. I cannot fit all the news articles in one video for you guys, but these were the best ones out there. Central Africa adopting cryptocurrencies. Same with Panama, Michael Saylor offering retirement plans. Like there's so much stuff happening that it's hard to keep up with. But I hope I gave you some knowledge to stay up to date on the crypto world. Also, if you haven't done so far, check out our WeFunder. We are trying to spread crypto worlds all around the world. It's the first crypto brick and mortar store focused on providing trust and confidence. We just reached 51,000, or basically 50,000 like earlier this week. And why that's such a good news is because with WeFunder, once you reach this threshold, they send an email to all the millions of people who use their platform and show them our project. So this is very exciting. Come, like, yeah, help invest in us, help earn us. You get some equity and future early bird bonuses when you invest at least $100 with us. So yeah, give us a look out, see if you want to be a part of us, you want to grow with us, as well as just be a part of the team. So woo, exciting. Also, the Crypto Viking has his Twitter account. So yes, who wants to be king? At Shop Crypto World is gearing up to become a top tier crypto mining equipment supplier. Check us out and let us show you the way. Here's the Crypto Viking sitting on a mountain, or a throne of Bitcoin miners out there. So yeah, we got the miners. If you need them, stop by our store or send us a message and contact us on Crypto World's website itself. Just give us a contact. So that's going to do it, people. I hope you guys like this video. If so, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss a beat, share this with your friends. And until next week, guys, the Crypto Sherpa is out.
Did you know that you can sit down one-on-one with me or one of our other experts here at Crypto World? We can help you open up your first wallet, roll over your retirement into crypto, move large amounts of crypto safely, give you advice on how and what to mine, and more. If you could use expert guidance along your crypto journey, we are here to help. Visit our website to schedule your consultation today.